In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a slides in WPS Office Presentation Mobile. Working with presentations on your phone can be very convenient, especially when you need to make quick edits on the go. Knowing how to properly add and remove slides helps keep your presentation clean, organized, and focused on the message you want to deliver. To begin, open the WPS Office mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the option to create a new file and tap Create. From there, tap PPT to start working with a presentation. You will then see different options for creating your slides. Tap Blank to start with an empty presentation so you can clearly see how slides are added and removed. After your blank presentation opens, you will be taken to the main editing screen. At this point, you will notice that your presentation starts with a single slide. To add more slides, tap the plus icon on the screen. When the options appear, tap Blank to add a new empty slide. You can repeat this process if you want to add multiple slides, which is helpful for practice or when building a longer presentation. Now that you have added slides, let us focus on how to delete them. Deleting slides is useful when you add an extra slide by mistake or decide that certain content is no longer needed. To remove a slide, locate the slide thumbnail you want to delete. Press and hold on that slide using a long press. After a moment, release your finger. Once you release the slide, a set of options will appear on the screen. These options allow you to manage the selected slide. Look for the Delete option and tap Delete. As soon as you do this, the selected slide will be removed from your presentation. You will immediately see the slide disappear, confirming that it has been successfully deleted. You can use the same long press and delete method to remove any other slides you no longer need. This process helps you stay in control of your presentation layout and ensures that only the necessary slides remain. Keeping your slides organized makes your presentation easier to edit and more professional when viewed by others. With these simple steps, you can confidently add and delete slides in WPS Office Presentation on mobile. This skill is especially helpful when you are editing presentations quickly or making last-minute changes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.